Hey there! Today we're diving into an interesting problem that involves a potential security issue with parsing XML documents. The problem arises when we use XElement.Parse method on XML data obtained from an API call, which can lead to unrestricted document types. Let's move on to the solution now. The XElement.Parse function actually processes DTDs, which can pose a security risk. This means that by default, DTD processing is allowed, unlike with Xelement.Load where it's prohibited. The code snippet provided sets up an XmlReader settings object with specific configurations, allowing DTD processing. Continuing with the solution, the recommended approach is to create a custom XmlReader with the necessary settings to restrict DTD processing. By using XmlReader, create with your custom settings, you can ensure a more secure handling of XML data. This will help prevent any potential security vulnerabilities that may arise from DTD processing. In summary, it's essential to be mindful of DTD processing when working with XML data in your applications. By implementing custom XmlReader settings and explicitly controlling DTD processing, you can enhance the security of your codebase. And with that, we wrap up today's discussion. Remember to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below. Stay secure and happy coding.